Daily English Talks. Having dinner together. I am really glad that we finally have time to sit down together and enjoy dinner after such a long and busy day.
I feel the same way, because sharing a meal together always makes the evening feel warmer and more relaxing.
I tried a new recipe tonight, and I hope you will enjoy the taste, because I spent quite a while preparing everything carefully.
That sounds wonderful, and I can already smell the delicious aroma coming from the kitchen.
Please sit down and make yourself comfortable while I bring the rest of the dishes to the table.
Thank you, and I will help you set the plates and pour some water for both of us.
I really appreciate your help, because preparing dinner becomes much easier when we work together.
Working together in the kitchen always makes the whole experience more enjoyable and less stressful.
Here is the roasted chicken with vegetables that I cooked slowly so the flavors could develop nicely.
It looks amazing, and the colors of the vegetables make the dish look very fresh and appetizing.
I also made a small salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, and a light dressing to keep the meal balanced.
That is perfect, because a fresh salad always makes dinner feel lighter and healthier.
Before we start eating, I just want to say how nice it is to spend quiet time together like this.
I completely agree, because these simple moments often become the most meaningful parts of the day.
Go ahead and taste the chicken first, and please tell me honestly what you think about the flavor.
Wow, the chicken is incredibly tender, and the seasoning is perfectly balanced.
I am really happy to hear that, because I was a little worried about trying a new recipe tonight.
You should not worry, because your cooking always turns out delicious and comforting.
That is very kind of you to say, and it motivates me to keep learning new dishes.
Trying new recipes together could actually become a fun weekly activity for us.
That sounds like a great idea, because cooking together can be both creative and relaxing.
Maybe next weekend we can try making homemade pasta from scratch.
I would love that, because I have always wanted to learn how to make fresh pasta properly.
Cooking from scratch usually tastes better and gives us a chance to learn useful skills.
By the way, how was your day at work today?
My day was quite busy, but finishing it with a peaceful dinner like this makes everything feel better.
I understand that feeling, because good food and good company can quickly improve our mood.
Exactly, and sharing stories during dinner also helps us stay connected.
I had a productive day as well, although I was a little tired by the time I started cooking.
Even so, you still managed to prepare a wonderful dinner for us tonight.
Cooking sometimes feels like a small way of showing care and appreciation for the people we love.
And enjoying the meal together is my way of showing how much I appreciate your effort.
The vegetables are also very fresh because I bought them from the market this morning.
Fresh ingredients really make a noticeable difference in the taste of the meal.
I am glad you like everything because I tried to keep the flavors simple and natural.
Simple food prepared with care often tastes better than complicated dishes.
After dinner, maybe we can relax and watch a movie together in the living room.
That sounds like the perfect way to end a peaceful evening.
I will also make some tea later so we can sit comfortably and continue talking.
I like that idea, because warm tea always makes the evening feel calm and cozy.
I think dinners like this remind us to slow down and appreciate everyday moments.
Yes, life can become very busy, so it is important to pause and enjoy simple things.
I am grateful that we can share these quiet dinners together.
I feel grateful too, because spending time together makes the day feel complete.
Please take some more vegetables if you would like another serving.
Thank you. I would love some more because they taste really fresh and flavorful.
I am happy to hear that the meal turned out well.
It turned out more than well. It turned out wonderful.
Hearing that makes all the time I spent cooking feel worthwhile.
Meals like this remind me how special home-cooked food can be.
After we finish eating, we can clean the table together so it will not take long.
Of course, helping each other always makes chores easier and quicker.
I really enjoy evenings like this because they feel peaceful and meaningful.
I agree completely, because dinner together is one of my favorite parts of the day.
Thank you for spending this time with me and making the evening so pleasant.
Thank you for cooking such a delicious meal and creating such a warm atmosphere.
Moments like this remind me that happiness often comes from simple experiences.
Yes, good food and good conversation are sometimes all we need.
Let us finish our dinner slowly and enjoy the rest of the evening.
That sounds perfect, because evenings like this deserve to be enjoyed without any hurry.